Boys and girls, it's a new car day. Again, check this out. We got a 2004 Lexus SC that's seen better days. And we can't figure out what's going on with this one because it's an auction buy, right? And it's got blue, pink, blue, pink, pink, blue, and yeah, I don't know what's going on with that. But it's, if people know SCs, they're not exactly pretty cars, right? This one, on the other hand, is probably one of the better looking ones, even though, yeah, even though all the pink's there. And exhaust, probably standard, not a clue. This, questionable. And yeah, it's a rough one. It's rough all around, things like that. But you know, it's one of those. It was a cheap car. And the body kit is probably a couple of grand's worth. I believe it's a custom job. Never know. Well, we've been making some barbecue with these guys. Before we turn it off. This one's ready. Alright, let's see inside. What we got is this, and we got a Volkswagen key, which is interesting addition. That's broken, but that's what operates your alarm. Interesting to say the least. And then what we got in here is all the good stuff, you know, all the oh, cup holders work. That's pretty cool. Cup holders work. We got wood trim here, there and everywhere. It's in decent shape. I don't think it's got many miles either. What we got miles wise? Oh, seat, 118k. It's not bad at all. Ah, would you look at that? Lexus. That opens and closes. Dude, that's a 2004 car. Most new cars don't do this crap.
And the roof is up there as well.
Yeah, the roof obviously is convertible. Where is it?
That is there.
Oh yeah.
That's not on it.
There we go. The usual windows going down. And then this jobby should. Yeah, there we go. The roof is disappearing on me. That's quite quick actually, isn't it? That's like what, 20 seconds maybe? Well, I'd say half a minute. Half a minute, the roof is down, then it beeps at you, saying, oh, there you go. And the windows go down. Oh, it's only got the two. I was thinking it's got...
Oh, these ones go in, they don't come out.
Oh, they don't come out later?
No.
Oh, okay, fair enough. I mean, this is one of those coupes that, yeah. Yeah, good luck sitting there. I mean, GT86 got more space.
Nah.
That's got no space.
GT86 got no space if I'm sitting in front as well.
Yeah, I suppose. And then we got this and that, this and that. We got a party trick up front. This one's slightly on the side, isn't it? There you go. 4.3 3U ZFE. In a good shape. Looks to be good. Oh, I like the engineering behind that. I mean,
loads of bolts, but by the end it just holds on.
Yeah, exactly. There's loads of bolts everywhere, but yeah, zip ties are the ones that do the job.
Zip ties are holding it.
Yeah, I think here
they just don't hold on that. That's what I'm saying.
It's probably same sort of thing. It's the engineering that is finest, how to fit the body kits and shit. So, but then again, as I'm saying, this is probably one of the better looking.
That one is one of them. Are you gonna take care of me?
well, when it's shot like that, the whole thing is like, you know, like nah, nah, like nah. But in grand scheme of things, it's not bad. I mean, cosmetic shit is whatever, right? Do these come with LSDs? Do you know? No. No LSD?
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure either. How to open that? I don't have a clue. I know there's a button in there. It's a Lexus, so everything's probably electric. Of course it's electric. 2004, electric. Oh, we got a bit of stick going on there. Oh, that was not holding. I mean, with the roof down, even can put a small sized bag in there. Like that.
Couple of
Lexus. It's a gold trim Lexus.
The boot is huge on it though. It's
Yeah.
the outside look of it.
Yeah, it's heavy as well. It's stupidly heavy. Right, let's hear the party trick. But yeah, but this one's gold badge. So it's like, you know,
Them colours.
Mark Levinson flipping sound system and everything. Yeah. It's a V8, bro. It's a V8. It's a V8. It's got a leak, but I mean, it sounds pretty good. Yeah, it's healthy. It's healthy. Here's Mr. J.
Yes.
Jay, grab the last piece of meat.
What?
Grab the last piece of meat. It's warm now.
No, I said I'm not.
He's full. I don't believe it.
Let's do burnouts with it.
With burnouts with it. What? Figure out if it's LSD or not. I mean, you can try it. I don't think it's got much fuel in it. Yeah. Let's open the gate and actually take it for a quick spin, see how it drives and stuff. But so far so good. I mean, all this lucky peel and whatnot, we've been, I don't even know what to call that.
Looks like spray can shit.
I don't think it is. I don't think it's spray can, because I mean, it's like, it's a weird, I mean, maybe the body kit was pink at some point.
I think so, yeah. I think they put another body kit on it.
Oh, different body kit, yeah. It's a mystery. I mean, Romac wheels look alright. They're not quite
To be
right.
honest, it looks like it's been wrapped before someone peeled it, wrapped with a lacquer together.
Maybe.
That's what me.
Because there's quite a few bits of lacquer missing in there. Lacquer missing, paint missing. But in that regard, it probably needs tons of work doing to it. But I would say, screw all that. It's got lockable gears. It's got a V8. It's got an LSD. Right, you got 3, 4, 2 in there, so you can lock it in gears. Fairly cool drift car. You know, nobody drifts these. I don't think anybody does.
There's a reason for that.
Wow, it goes sideways. I mean, who cares? Oh, shall we actually open the gate and have a look about what it does? Go on then. Oh, I'll tell you what, it suits you.
Yeah?
Yeah, you actually fit in it. How about that? Leisurely cruise is like, yeah, this is life. What do you reckon?
What?
What do you reckon?
Yeah, it's okay, but when you pull the gas pedal full throttle, you hear like a scratching noise.
Okay.
Wait.
Didn't hear any
Nope,
scratching.
sounds good to me.
That ping don't actually look that bad from far.
From far. It looks like one of those stickers, you know, people put on.
Yeah. Front looks a bit
Oh,
like
yeah.
Max.
Yeah, there was some sort of noise there. I think it's wheel touching something.
Yeah.
That's about it, really.
Oh,
Not bad. Not
Well,
bad.
Next.
Yeah, you having it there?
What?
You want it there?
What?
Suits you.
I don't know. It's funny, but
We were saying it's actually not a bad looking thing, except body gets all screwed up.
Looks a bit like Mac from the front.
Yeah, but I mean, it definitely looks better than 99% of SCs.
Yeah.
bit of a kid on it, because these ain't actually pretty, are they? It's like, meh. Right, do you want to see if it's got LSD or not?
Yeah, sure.
I think you just press the button. Low, 2. Let's have a look at the rear when I'm pulling up.
Oh well, there he comes.
I locked it in second. Yeah. What, both? I think so.
Got enough power.
Yeah, both. It's got LSD. Both.
That's it. It's a drift car. I think if you lose some weight, this would make a good drift car.
Could be.
Shall we tell Evers that this is a drift car now?
Yeah.
He wanted one. I mean, lock it in second, it'll go all day long.
Yeah.
Right, on that note, guys, I think it's time to end this one. I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao! That's really good for an old car. That's quick.
Hard top is good as well.
And hard top as well, yeah. Boom, bomb, bomb. That goes down, done.
Windows back up.
Easy as that. Lexus ain't bad shit.